I need my benefits and some flour. Please don't sneeze now, really. I can't do anything today. I just can't. I should have just stayed in bed. I will brush my teeth. This freaking day is not even worth anything. Stupid. Hello friends, I hope you don't have the sneezy season like I do. I sneeze all day long at work in my cubicle and I just mess up so many things because I have a crazy fit and stuff goes flying everywhere. So I hope you're taking care of any allergies or flus or colds, and this is just my experience of what happens when you have a sneezing fit and everything goes awry. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next Tuesday. All my best.